What's up, Indian dealers across the country? It's Torrey Hornsby from Power Sports Marketing, PSM Marketing. You may recognize me from some of the Polaris Know the Way Out training videos that we've shot in the past, teaching sales process and how to bypass just looking, how to lead people to sit down and follow a sales process. I wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys today because a lot of our clients are they're gearing up for the new model open house that Indian is pushing dealers to do on October 24th. So I'm going to switch my screen share here and cover just a little bit about what we do for that. So here is the PDF for that. Obviously, October 24th is when they're looking to do it. I love this focus. It's time to kind of move on. Obviously, abide by social distancing rules and all that stuff, but people are ready to ride. It's fall, man. It's beautiful weather. It's the perfect time to ride. And people are spending money like crazy. They can't do all the things that they used to do for entertainment. So they're investing in motorcycles. So it's time to really tap into that. Give them a reason to come to your dealership. And that's what we do. They're doing the Indian Motorcycle Multi-Use Scarf as the giveaway. We've got you covered in terms of being able to drive a ton of traffic and responses with a giveaway like a scarf. They're asking dealers to do an email, some Facebook posts, and then advertise it on social media. So we handle all of that with our marketing program. So what we do is we send out direct mail, and this direct mail can go to your past customers, and then we can source a list of other riders in your area who spend money on big dollar cruisers, and we can drive that traffic to your dealership and have them give you a try and experience the Indian motorcycle difference. So we'll cover your customers and then other people who they live in your backyard, they ride like models, they buy the stuff that's like what you sell, but they've never bought from you. So we'll get new customers and past customers come and do business with you. We're going to send out emails. We'll do some phone calls. We're going to do social media advertising for you. We'll put a web banner up on your website. And we're even going to create a website on the 50 scarves. That's a landing page for people to go to. And as they reply, they're going to give you their first name, last name, email address, phone number, and tell you what they want to buy right now, whether it's a new bike, a used bike, parts, accessories, riding gear, apparel, service, or nothing at all. So we'll create bona fide leads for you. It's an incredible program to drive traffic, and even regardless of the traffic, while we're accustomed to driving a lot of traffic to our clients' dealerships and good quality traffic, the list of leads are going to come to you before the event, and you're going to get 100 or hundreds of those telling you what they want to buy, regardless of the traffic on October 24th. You'll be able to experience a positive ROI. In terms of some themes and graphics, of course, we handle all that for you. You can see here, again, there's hundreds of themes to choose from, or we can create something totally ground up custom for you, but we've got everything from fall open houses. I love, for me in particular, I love Indian themes that really embody the nostalgia. You know, from a competition perspective, Indian and Harley go way back. You know, 1901, the first motorcycle, I believe, with the headlight or an electric starter was an Indian. There's so much heritage in the motorcycle industry that Indian offers. And so I love tapping into that with designs that are like this. And forget that it says demo truck. If you don't have the demo truck coming, we'll make one specifically for what you're doing. And that's just a few of the designs. Again, we have hundreds to choose from. So whether you're looking to, you know, drive traffic, you want a done-for-you solution, if you want a list of leads, let us handle this for you. Let us help you to be successful. That is what we do. In fact, our responsibility is to take better care of dealerships better than any other company can or will. I've got a team of people ready to aid you and assist you. If you check out our Google reviews, you'll see that, man, we are good at following up and making things happen, working within quick timelines, helping you to be prepared, training you to be ready, your entire staff. In fact, I do that personally. So I'd love to have your business, and to get started, you can simply go to our website, or if you're watching this video from an email, there's a link in there for you to get started, and we'd be happy to earn your business. Talk to you guys soon. You can reach out to me directly if you have any questions. I love helping dealers with sales, operational issues, and most importantly, marketing. So Hope to see you guys soon, and hope business is rocking and rolling, and look forward to hearing from you.